to Everbright Mattress Factory. Established in August 2000. At Everbright, we prioritize using high-quality materials. Each piece of quilted fabric undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability and comfort. Our high-precision cutting technology guarantees accurate dimensions for every panel, meeting the demands of batch production. Every label is finely engraved for clarity and longevity, ensuring our products stand out in the market. Advanced assembly processes ensure each part of the mattress is securely connected, providing exceptional support and comfort. Our meticulous ordering process enhances both the durability and aesthetics of the mattress, reflecting our commitment to quality. Discover the excellence of Everbright Mattresses, where quality and comfort meet. We look forward to collaborating with you.